saw this, I was like, oh my God, I was so excited. I was so excited, like really, really excited, right? I say, okay, I have to share this with my people on YouTube. So without any further ado, I will just open it, right? So I have already cut the seal on top here because I didn't want trouble when trying to open it, right? Okay, so this is how it looks when it's open. And as you can see, it's the Kirkland Signature brand. And let's check the different scents, what they have. This one here is wood. Now I will not I don't know if it is you all will enjoy me reacting to the different scents, but I don't see any point in it because you all can't smell it anyway. But let me just get a little smell and I will just tell you all how it smells in case you want to buy this for a friend for a gift item. Now the wood, I just smell the wood with the cork because everything is in the cork. And if it is you want to, excuse my nails, I don't really like to do nails. I haven't reached that step yet in my life where I like to get my nails done because I am always needing flour and cooking, as you all have seen in my previous vlogs. If you have not seen, please look at my vlogs about cooking. I have at least 2 vlogs with cooking in it. So that one is wood. And this one is spice. Right? And if it is you want to smell, yes, well, I don't want to tell you all. Everybody is basically a different type of scent, and your skin, because everybody's skin is different, they give out a different type of scent, right? Then we have this one is gourmand, right? That is the only different color one. I can't really tell you how that one's smelling. Then this one is clean musk. Let me smell that. Musky perfume tends to smell okay. Okay, this one is not my favorite. It's a acquired. You know how they say like a acquired taste? You have to acquire the smell according to your skin scent. This one is citrus. And you could see all of them like basically look like liquid, but they have different scents. Let's go to the next one. This one is green. Let's smell green. Let me see what green smells like. Okay, green is very mild, a mild scent, y'all. This one is marine. I wonder what that smells like. put it on your neck or anything. This one is white floral. This one is a white floral. If you're gonna like buy whole bottle, white floral is a good scent, but it's all according to what it is you look like. Dressing table like this and pull out which one you prefer, right? I'm seeing here in the box. Let's see what else, if it have anything else in the box. Okay, so this one is, I'm seeing here, perfume blending recipe cards. And they have all the different let me just bring it up for y'all. All the different they're saying create your own signature scent, wear alone or layer to create endless scent possibilities. So they're showing you all the different scents. Modern, this one is white floral, classic, modern, elegant, fresh, jasmine, bergamot, that's the top with apple, right? So you're getting to see there. The pink floral, sheer, feminine, romantic. So when you're going on a little date, you put a little, you rub a little on the neck. So when you get your kiss goodnight, you leave the guy longing for more. Now this video is, as you could see, is mostly for ladies, but guys, if you want to pick a gift for your significant other, this is a very nice gift to get. And remember, it's the thought that counts, and I am super grateful. Your lady maybe prefer, or you all prefer more expensive perfume. I do too, but this is a difference, and I do appreciate it a lot. So this one is fruity floral. They said it's playful, flirty, and fresh, and they're showing you all the different what it has in it, like what it's made of the smell. Marine, what did they write there? Clean, fresh, and watery. Then spice is exotic, addictive, and mysterious. Wood. Did I skip a line? Yes, I did skip a line. Green, fresh, vibrant, and energetic. And citrus, vibrant, sparkling, zesty. Clean musk, pure, clean, irresistible. Gourmand. I don't know, I didn't really understand that particular scent, but it's warm, creamy, and sensual. And I already told you all about spice, wood, indulgent, earthy, seductive. Alright, so that's the 10 scent. They said capture your own unique style and fragrance to set every mood. Each fragrance highlights a signature scent to be worn alone or layered based on your emotions. Your emotions, people. So let's open this envelope and see what they have in it. Okay, so they have different how to mix the scents. They're telling you how to mix the scents here. Sweet dreams, they're mixing like which one to mix together to get a particular type of feel. And I'm seeing here another one, pink bubbly. Pink bubbly, So pink bubbly with pink floral and gourmand and citrus, right? So this you get a mix, and you could probably mix it on the card to smell it, to see what it smells like first, right? Isn't that real cool? You're like your own little chemist, right? This one is Tidal. Yes, I guessed correctly. I guess they said fruity floral, white floral, and marine. They put like a little tropical kind of thing. I think I will like that scent. Secret Garden. And then they show you which one to mix together. Right? So I make mess. What else do they have? Tropical Escape. Right? The other side is Sunday Morning. Sunday morning, okay. Like they wanted to wear that kind of thing to church. Bare Skin. So this probably like if you're going to the beach. This one is Bare Skin. This other one is Cashmere Glow. Yeah, a lot of people wear cashmere for fall, so this is the season to wear this type of mixture, white floral plus citrus plus wood. You make your own scents. I like that. I like being my own chemist. Clean Linen. Let's see what the other side has. Flower Shop. This one is After Hours, and let's see what the other side has. Fireside Embrace. So as you can see, these scents song like real sexy stuff, like I'm going on a date and I'm going to seduce the guy type of thing. Now I don't encourage these things, people. I was just given a gift, right? And then they give you 2 cards where you can make your own scent and describe your own like perfume, what you get, like the feeling that you get when you put it on, that kind of thing, right? And you can name your own scent. So that's what I'm talking about, like you being your own chemist. That is so cool, people. So I thank you that's it for this unboxing of this perfume. I hope I'll get more things to be able to unbox. This was my very first unboxing, and I do thank you so much for watching my vlog. And I'm not sure where she got this particular gift from me, but I know I am going to enjoy it a whole lot. As you can see, it has a lot to offer, right? It has a lot of offer. Again, it's the Kirkland Signature brand. If it is you're looking for it, Kirkland Signature brand. And I thank you very much for staying till the end. I have left a gift underneath for you, not the Kirkland perfume, but I have left a electronic gift underneath for you. You can click the link below to get your gift. And if you have not touched that subscribe button, click that subscribe button. See you next time on Chrissy's Point of View. Bye.